The 7 best foods for healthy skin. A diet rich in healthy fats and vitamins can support skin health. Many fruits and vegetables, including red grapes and tomatoes, contain compounds that can benefit your skin. Nutrition is important for health. An unhealthy diet can damage your metabolism, cause weight gain, and even damage organs, such as your heart and liver. What you eat also affects another organ, your skin. As scientists learn more about diet and the body, it's increasingly clear that what you eat can significantly affect the health and aging of your skin. This video takes a look at 7 of the best foods for keeping your skin healthy. Number 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and herring, are excellent foods for healthy skin. They're rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for maintaining skin health. Omega-3 fatty acids are necessary to help keep skin thick, supple, and moisturized. In fact, an omega-3 fatty acid deficiency can cause dry skin. The omega-3 fats in fish reduce inflammation, which can cause redness and acne. They can even make your skin less sensitive. Trusted source to the sun's harmful UV rays. Some studies trusted source show that fish oil supplements may help fight inflammatory and autoimmune conditions affecting your skin, such as psoriasis and lupus. Fatty fish is also a source of vitamin E, one of the most important antioxidants for your skin. Getting enough vitamin E is essential for helping protect your skin against damage from free radicals and inflammation. Number 2. Avocados. Avocados are high in healthy fats. These fats benefit many functions in your body, including the health of your skin. A 2022 pilot study trusted source involved healthy women consuming 1 avocado daily for 8 weeks. The researchers found that daily avocado consumption may lead to enhanced elasticity and firmness of facial skin. Avocados are also a good source of vitamin E, which is an important antioxidant that helps protect your skin from oxidative damage. Most Americans don't get enough vitamin E through their diet. Vitamin C is also essential for healthy skin. Your skin needs it to create collagen, which is the main structural protein that keeps your skin strong and healthy. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant that helps protect your skin from oxidative damage caused by the sun and the environment, which can lead to signs of aging. Number 3. Walnut. Walnuts have many characteristics that make them an excellent food for healthy skin. They're a good source of essential fatty acids, which are fats that your body cannot make itself. ALA, omega-3 fats, magnesium, and the amino acid arginine, all of which are found in walnuts, may also decrease inflammation. Trusted source in your body, including your skin. Number 4. Sunflower seeds. In general, nuts and seeds are good sources of skin-boosting nutrients. Sunflower seeds are an excellent example. They contain high levels of both monounsaturated and omega-6 fats, and may help reduce inflammation and cholesterol levels. Number 5. Sweet potatoes. Beta-carotene is a nutrient found in plants. It functions as provitamin A, which means it can be converted into vitamin A in your body. Beta-carotene is found in oranges and vegetables such as carrots, spinach, and sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source. 1/2 cup, 100-gram serving of baked sweet potato contains enough beta-carotene to provide more than 6 times the DV of vitamin A. Carotenoids like beta-carotene help keep your skin healthy by acting as a natural sunblock. When consumed, this antioxidant is incorporated into your skin and helps protect your skin cells from sun exposure. This may help prevent sunburn, cell death, and dry, wrinkled skin. Number 6. Red or yellow bell peppers. Like sweet potatoes, bell peppers are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. 1 cup, 149 grams, of chopped red bell pepper contains the equivalent of 156% of the DV for vitamin A. They're also one of the best sources of vitamin C. This vitamin is necessary for creating the protein collagen, which keeps skin firm and strong. Number 7. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a great source of vitamin C and contain all of the major carotenoids, including lycopene. Beta-carotene, lutein, and lycopene have been shown to protect your skin against damage from the sun. They may also help prevent wrinkling. Because tomatoes are rich in carotenoids, they're an excellent food for maintaining healthy skin. Consider pairing carotenoid-rich foods like tomatoes with a source of fat, such as cheese or olive oil. Fat increases your absorption of carotenoids. What you eat can significantly affect your skin health. Make sure you're getting enough essential nutrients to protect your skin. The foods on this list are great options to keep your skin healthy, strong, and attractive. If you like the video, if so, like and channel to subscribe must do.